Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Discord tag. Let's go to the video. First, go to the video description and join this Discord server. Next, go to the Tags channel. After that, you will see a lot of Discord guilds in this channel. You can join any guild you like. After joining, go to Discord settings. Next, go to your profile. Scroll down and you will see the server tags. Enable it. Now you can see the guild tag shown on your Discord profile. Enjoy rocking your new guild tag. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks watching for you.